Welcome to Brief Calculus learners. Before we get started with today's class, I'd like to take a minute to share some thoughts with you about dreams. We're all dreamers, and it's important to acknowledge these dreams. I'd like to do an icebreaker where we talk about two truths and a dream. You may have done this in some of your other classes, and this is a great way to get to know what each other feels is important and what a way to share some information about each other. So the way it works is I've shared a link in the chat of our meeting to a Google Doc. And what I'd like you to do in the Google Doc, after you've thought about it for a moment, is put your first name, two things about you that are currently true that you're willing to share with the class, and a third thing that isn't true yet, but you wish it was. Now, it's important when you put your two truths and a dream into the Google Doc that you mix them up and you write your dream in such a way that it's not obvious that it's the thing that isn't true yet. I'll play along with you so you can see how it works. Here are my two truths and a dream. You can see them on the slide right here. I can build you a website. I speak fluent Spanish, and I know my way around New York City really well. So after we share our two truths and a dream with each other and have a discussion about our dreams, you can try to guess which one of mine is my dream. So take about 5 minutes to work on this exercise, and we'll come back together and share the results.